Did you know that dogs have an incredible memory that can astonish any pet lover? Meet Max, a clever retriever whose memory of a heartfelt moment with his owner unfolds. 1 year after his owner, Sarah, lost her bracelet while hiking, Max led her straight to the exact spot where it lay hidden. This surprising display of memory did more than just recover a lost item. It showcased the profound bond they shared. It demonstrates that dogs not only remember commands, but also cherish emotional experiences, reinforcing their irreplaceable place in our lives. Imagine how many memories your dog might be holding on to.